Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speaker of English. This is the place where learning English feels easy, comfortable, and calm. Take a moment. Relax your shoulders. You don't need to rush. I'm Daniel, and I'm really glad you're here today. A new year is a special time. People think, people reflect, people hope. But sometimes people also feel pressure. Today, we will talk slowly and honestly about New Year resolutions, not in a stressful way. And as always, Mia is here with me.
Hi, everyone. It feels nice to start the year together. No pressure, no fear, just simple English and real conversation.
Mia, let's start with something simple. What is a New Year resolution?
A New Year resolution is a promise we make to ourselves. It is something we want to improve in the new year.
Yes, it is not a rule, it is not a punishment, it is just a direction.
Like saying, this is where I want to go.
Exactly. Some people want to be healthier, some want to learn new skills, some want to feel more confident.
Many people say, I want to improve my English.
That's a very common and beautiful goal. Let's talk about common resolutions people make around the world. Listen first. I want to exercise more.
I want to exercise more.
Good. I want to eat healthier food.
I want to eat healthier food.
Nice and clear. This year, I want to save money.
This year, I want to save money.
Very good. This year, I want to improve my English.
This year, I want to improve my English.
If you're listening, you can say it too. Say it slowly. Your English does not need to be perfect. Now, let's practice real-life English. Imagine someone asks you, "What is your New Year resolution?" You can say, "My New Year resolution is to be more confident."
My New Year resolution is to be more confident.
Or, "I want to work on myself this year."
I want to work on myself this year.
Or even, "I'm still thinking about it."
I'm still thinking about it.
You don't need a big answer. Simple is good. Let's imagine a real situation. It's the first week of January. You and a friend meet for tea.
Hey, Daniel. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mia. How does the new year feel to you?
Honestly, it feels hopeful, but also a little heavy.
Heavy? Why heavy?
Because everyone talks about change, and change can feel scary.
That's very honest. Do you feel pressure to make resolutions?
Yes, sometimes I do. When people ask me, what is your resolution? I feel nervous.
That's very common. Let me say something important. A resolution is not a test.
Yes, it's not an exam.
It's just a direction, a small light.
That makes it feel later.
Let me share something personal. One year, my resolution was very simple. I said, this year, I want to listen more.
That's interesting.
Some days I did it well, some days I forgot. But even trying changed how I talked to people.
So even small goals matter.
Yes, very much.
Many listeners choose English as their New Year resolution.
Yes, and that takes courage. Speaking English is not just about words, it's about confidence.
People feel shy. They fear mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Let me say this clearly. If you make mistakes, it means you are trying.
And trying is success.
Let's talk about something very real. Stopping. Many people stop after 2 weeks and say, I failed.
But stopping is not failing.
Exactly. Life happens. Work happens. Stress happens. You can always start again.
Even tomorrow.
Yes. Let's say these sentences together. I don't need to be perfect.
I don't need to be perfect.
I am learning every day
I am learning every day.
at my own pace.
At my own pace.
Let's share some simple advice. First, start small.
10 minutes is enough.
Second, be kind to yourself.
Mistakes are normal.
Third, talk about your goals. Before we end, take a quiet moment. Think about one small thing you want to improve this year. Just one. That is enough.
A new year is not a race. It is a journey.
And learning English is also a journey. Slow, clear, step by step. Thank you for spending this time with us on Speaker of English.
Happy New Year, everyone. Be kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.